Díomh Corja agus fáilte go goil ceol Carm na Féile. This is our first year having a group of this kind. This is the performance workshop group and it was under the musical direction of Maggie Maguire. Maggie has plenty of experience doing this sort of thing as she works for Tradacad in Fermanagh and Tyrone. So I give it to you, our performance group of 2024.
Tom, Anna's going to do this one. Yeah. Come on in. Yeah. Are you ready to go? Hello, everybody. We're the performance group that have got landed a gig this evening. newly formed today. I had the pleasure of working along with these kids today and it was really, really great. We started with a group of about 15 and then finished the day probably with about 35. So this is the remainder of the group that are left. So yeah, we had great fun. We learned a couple of tunes and I learned as much from the kids as they did from me. So I'm going to hand these over now to Anna, who's going to finish off the talking.
We're going to play Mortgage Burn from Canada.
I'm sure you'll agree that it was hard to believe that that group only met this morning at 11 o'clock. Next on stage we have a man from County Cavan and 2022 All-Ireland winner flute player Barry Connolly. And joining Barry tonight is Murren Banks, a Dublin-based banjo player who's been coming to Fela for many years, and we're delighted to have her tutor this year. Joining them tonight is Kieran Breen.
Hi everybody. It's great to be back again, 2024. I'm Tom Cusson, but I'm not Tom Cusson. I've got slightly different hair to Tom Cusson. Tom was supposed to be here and I stepped in at the last minute, but I'm kind of part of the furniture in Newsburg. I've been coming here for about 15 or 16 years, so I was delighted to be asked back again. And I'm here tonight with Barry, who I met about 5 hours ago. Thankfully, we're musically aligned. And I've roped in my cousin Ciara here on the fiddle, who played with us many moons ago here at the festival. And we're delighted to be joined by Pádraig O'Doul, who has come all the way from Killadoon on the minibus. He was last spotted on the side of the road. We weren't sure if he was going to be making it or not. But here he is. So it's great to have him. So we're going to start with a couple of reels. The first one is Jenny Picking Cockles in the QD. And the second one is Farewell to Connacht, also in some form of a D, or one or the other. Ashley, you'll be grand, won't you? The bus doesn't travel well, no? Thanks very much. He's not bad, isn't he? Some fella who just came in from Killadoon. Not bad at all. We're going to crack on with a couple, 2, 3 jigs. The first one is called The Woods of Quail Rua. And this is a tune we got from the playing of Edel Fox and Neil Byrne. Lovely album called The Sunny Banks, which he'll also play for you in a few minutes. And then the second tune I learned from a fantastic banjo player called Brian Fitzgerald from County Tipperary. And I would have learned this from Brian in 1998, which wasn't today nor yesterday. But it's an absolute pleasure to be teaching young people at a festival like this and to see young people the way I was that young person and to be sitting on a stage tonight playing a tune that I learned 26 years ago. And I had the privilege of teaching music again with Brian Fitzgerald again this year in Milltown Malbay. And he was probably my first love. I was about 8 or 9 years old. And I thought, Jesus, he's really cool on the banjo, isn't he? And he taught me this jig. And then Ciara actually resurrected it. You got it from the playing of Aggie White. And it's a lovely tune called The Queen of the Rushes. And the third tune is called Tell Her I Am. D, 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 something. And then that's great. G. G and G. G and G for the second half. stuff. Thanks very much. So we're going to finish up now with the Sunny Banks, Feeding the Birds, and the Mossy Banks. I always joked, my name is Maureen Banks, and if I had 3 sons, it'd be the Mossy Banks, the Liffey Banks, and the Sunny Banks. It'd be a great set of tunes. But anyway, we're going to play 2 out of the 3 with the Feeding the Birds in the middle. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoy the rest of the festival. We hope to see you around in the 3 pubs now. We actually have 3 pubs open tonight, so we hope to see you around and enjoy the rest of the festival. Thanks very much, everybody.
huge thanks to Porrick, Barry, Kira and Myrn for that lovely selection. Up next is Owen O'Donnell, who's going to sing a beautiful selection of songs. And Owen is accompanied by a Mayo man, Paul Clesham. So I'll hand it over to Owen and Paul for this selection.
Now, how are you getting on, guys? All well, yeah? I've Paul along with me here today. The both of us were teaching a few tunes and a few songs earlier on, so had good old crack. We had some young and old, all sorts of ages there, so a really enjoyable day. A few of the front row gang here. Daniel, I was teaching Daniel a few songs earlier on. Do you want to come up, Daniel? Do you want to come up and sing a song? No? Okay. We will get the next one. We're going to start off, going to sing two songs to you. So the first song is a song called In My Father's House. A song I heard another Sligo, fellow Sligo woman, is that right? Niamh Farrell singing this song a couple of years ago, and I just thought it was a lovely rendition of it because it'd be kind of more of a country song, but she had a lovely kind of traditional Irish kind of swing on it. So we're going to try that, and hope you enjoy it. So it's called In My Father's House, yeah. The gable wall is all that's left now. The old thatched house is almost gone. I wonder then, will they fondly remember days of long ago when I was young? In my father's house, a smile would greet you at the door. A friendly word, weary travelers always welcome for. We made the best of what we had, and we sang a happy song. In my father's house when I was young. Years have passed and times they are changing. That old thatched house has fallen down. I dry my eyes as I fondly remember days of long ago when I was young. In my father's house, a smile would greet you at the door. And no TV, but music there was plenty of. We made the best of what we had, and we sang a happy song. In my father's house when I was young. Come the time when I am older, and all you children are long, long gone. I wonder then, will the laughter of children be like long ago when I was young? In my father's house, a smile would greet you at the door. A friendly word, weary travelers always welcome for. And at night time, neighbors wandered in and might stay till 12 or 1. In my father's house, when I was young. In my father's house, when I was young. Thank you. Yeah, thanks everyone. So yeah, we're gonna sing a second song there. This is called "All the Ways You Wonder." It's a fairly sad song, or maybe a slow song as well. And again, a few of the attendees at the classes today were giving out to me saying, "These songs are awful sad. Do we not have any fun ones?" And we had to change it up. So they weren't fans of the slow, sad ones, but I am. So tough luck. They had to do with what we had prepared. Yeah. So this one, it's a John Spillane song. So yeah, hope you enjoy this, and hope you've enjoyed the festival so far. There's plenty more action happening, I think, tonight and tomorrow as well. So yeah, we'll give this one a go. All the ways you wander, all the ways you roam, all across great oceans, all across the foam, through the faraway houses, through the sunsets on fire, searching for the island of your heart's desire. I'll wait for you like a true friend. I'll wait for you till the very end. Where the sun is always shining and oranges grow on the trees, you only have to wait 2 seconds there for everything you please. In a garden of daisies, in the circle of light, searching for the island of your heart's delight. I'll wait for you like a true friend. I'll wait for you till the very end. And if you take the long road, if you take the long road home, down where the magicians and the dreamers roam, through the mountains of morning, through the sunsets on fire, searching for the island of your heart's desire. I'll wait for you like a true friend. I'll wait for you till the very end. All the ways you wander, all the ways you roam, all across great oceans, all across the foam, through the faraway houses, through the sunsets on fire, searching for the island of your heart's desire. I'll wait for you like a true friend. I'll wait for you till the very end. I'll wait for you like a true friend. I'll wait for you till the very end. Thank you. Thanks, Stephen.
For our last act before the break, we have musicians from County Clare, Orna Lynchy, agus Conor O'Loughlin. They will be joined by Paul Clesham on the fiddle and Porrick O'Dovell. We will also have some dancing by Reen Beastie as well.
How are you? Thanks very much. There were three reels there that we start off with. The first one was, I think, the strawberry blossom or the blackberry, some type of a berry anyway. And the second one then was what? The Abbey reel, and the last one then was the haunted house. So we're delighted to be here. So thanks a million to Gillian and all the committee for organising such a mighty festival. So we'll continue with three jigs. The first one, we don't have a name for it. Second one then is a Clare tune called Mrs. Galvin's, and then we'll follow it with another one that we don't have the name for.
Jigs, isn't it?
Jigs, sorry, yeah. What did I say? Reels. Jigs.
play.
All right, thanks a million. We're going to finish up now with the Blaster Eels, and we're actually going to be joined by a dancer, Rian Beastie from Roscommon. And Rian has featured in the Oireachtas prize. He's won the Oireachtas, basically. So he's going to join us there for the last set. So thanks a million. Thanks again to Gillian and all the committee, and thanks to Padraig for the beautiful accompaniment. So yeah, and sure you'll probably see Paul again. Yeah. So thank you.
Wasn't that just an amazing ending to the first half of our show tonight? We're going to have a 10-minute break and we'll be back with you shortly. Welcome back to the second half of our concert. We're going to start the second half with a group of Dublin musicians. Next on stage we have Sarah Jane Woods, who was our flute tutor this year, Aidan Connolly, who you may recognise from last night if you're at the launch of Kane, Connolly and McGorman in Pedans, and Oisin Morrison, who was our harp tutor, but to confuse us tonight, he's going on flute and piano.
invited in. Pleasure to be here, so thanks very much for the invitation. So there are two barn dances. What would you name it from the first one?
Hayes' favourite and Ben's Arrival, composed by Ben Lennon, wasn't it?
Yeah, and we both learned that kind of independently off the same CD, though, wasn't it?
I think so,
The one, Ben Lennon, great fiddle player and composer from Leitrim, made an album with Tony O'Connell, concertina player from. No, it wasn't. It was the Ross Inverbraes. So that's 1-0. Yeah, got that one wrong. Anyway. Surprising, really. So two barn dances. So we'll move on and we'll play a set of jigs. We had
The Green Hills of Wood, or the Green Fields of Woodford, the one that was lost,
and the Humours of Glendart.
and Humours of Glendart.
Second tune. Oh yeah, sorry. thanks a million. We'll wrap it up. We'll play a set of reels to Ballina Lass, and then Tommy Novies and
Paddy Finley's.
Paddy Finley. So, pleasure to be here. Thanks very much for the invitation. So.
Gurmila Machwev.
What a musical treat from Aidan, Oisin and Sarah Jane. Before we go on with the show, if anyone has lost their car keys, please go to the window at the back of the hall as a set has been handed in. Next on stage we have the current Kearney Reid, the winner, and it was won in Killarney in 2023. Please welcome on stage Colm Jimmy O'Carron.
I go gas am péidir bhí mai dionnas na rangan íniu. Chéad ceann péirla deas a chúlháin nó Oes sé moel en gere gan mene molacho ginwan Skoin a ironie se naere Nedon gachetele gusetroi, mar hule makuje, gore choch moire mochais, skoe shinenye mohiawu, le perlo jason khulwane. Blianus nui roiru, sharoyabun kapoil falu. Snoin chin yeshin, shadelo mograwem sisnawu. Nile tele gahrini, nach gahishen adel trawu. Snilana khlocht brege, agus beijir gveloch mograi. Chaemen i roiru, egedin ljanus inglanu. Ganu jatoch, ganu je, ganu pios blankinya gunyan. Vigeloren gorjewu, Maredo chlyapon gugan. Shiron sharkum oichlib, I peher jason chulwan. Gaesetai moje golu, no egan ohe moje skalo chogon lian. Se wilgan isog, gan pos tagwe dijan. Bai kroner noi, agus ikon feder numrael. Sbaigen heine, sere ferle jason chulwan. Am jarno chroere, gan bregu shachonik man boys. Ege tacht hui moyend, gan bregu gus magin loy. Bige mocht a feest, maar niet bij me laten de walk. Skech je walk in je poeberege, of verle jason chulwane. Snile magis goil, nach een po wonen ware. Snile braken se naunje, nach een po in waris snau. Nile sagort se roib, nach een jolto on tapren rai. Noer chwale de tracht, perle jason chulwane. Marie. As y mew cum o ffris yn ysg gan o le can des, can o heinings rhwm gymor. Ys capwyn. Gabyr yn bert am na di ffwr me corn i rhaid. O cum o ffris yn. O, moddau me sôn o horyn y gydiogus chwychyn. Snach maerig nach mech toer ag roi sior sy'r gyn. Sian y ffordd y fen y giwst i se chorlioch na dyn. Mar sech yr mysio pioddym leis yn o cum sbyn. Sy'r ampod ail dor am se o cum ffris o'n. Skawak a son a horne na hogli gaspine. Och wam estech a stor was vi o kom ar Milan. Gus hog melan mo godoch lam mo goni go kan mise. Snach a mische wan na gadi es na gardi vi mo him pole. Mar diar a megun kan port keir ras a pinoch. Sy'r ampod ail dor am se o cum y ffris o'n. Sgywach y sôn an iorn yn hogli gaspina. Cedi'r twl am ac i loch wy'n chwacholwg y simdach. Na'r yw'n sy'n o loch yn echyd o cum sy'n y chi. Ser y maid yn lorn y warach y fi mordyn a un siocht. By dad is there a governor and jawl look dinte. Sir ampod idle door am o come free soon. Skawak a son a horn and a hogli gaspina. Nach a mischivin skotar shoch a trachus is a spiene. Gaboig an nach rod willach egis mile. Skonos klocheshen darshe gus a gloshelog na heran. Skoguje channa tinkeris na stelle rinevan. Sarampod ail dor am che o come frisone. Skawaka son a horne na hogli gaspina. Nar jarle baruch banu gunine. Snach molka mu jan ten van niwa. O bjashis na skali na wali brakrine. Sen chin lesh na kardli o skal chis nivra. Sarampod ail dor am che o come frison. Skawaka son a horne na hogli gaspina. Ar y tarnio'r smwran horne posen sy'n islan. Be glyn hagen len olan o'r angus rynki. Be'n potan ys y dawch agos cored y tiach tîm pol. Be glyn hagen len olius be gyd o com gaspina. Sy'r ampod ail dor am che o com frison. Skawak a son a horn yn a hogli gaspina. Nach mischivin sko bronoch gachtonach is laside. A mochyn chas yng ngardin ysdiwanis yn megal himpol. Sko diagon am o hwlis rojoran wedys mwynim. Gorolcon a bwyr don vegoni gwisha. Sy'r ampod ail dor am che o come frison. Skawak a son a horn yn a hogli gaspina. O brann is y parik I cerd y tatawina. Da gala vid y poc I edgus o come lespina. Smachort o'r cesgwyd o harum can jabus ya corina. Mogaib ni spina o come hyn o cwnan i'r fod I hisgo. Sy'r ampod ail dor am che o come frison. Skawak a son a horn yn a hogl I gasbina. Rymagi.
Gur míle maith agat Colm Jimmy. For his third appearance tonight, we welcome Paul Clesham, who recently recorded an album called The Morning Thrush with Conor Atkins on the concertina. Tonight, Paul will be joined by Sligo's Deirdre Hurley, an outstanding flute and whistle player. These will be accompanied by the Darty Cayley Band's piano player, Kevin Breheny.
Hope you're all having a lovely evening tonight. There's been some lovely music. Been enjoying listening backstage. We're going to play a couple of jigs first of all. The first one we'll do is called Shandon Bells. The second one is the Lisheen, and then we'll finish off with Apples in Winter. So we'll give them a go. Twice? Three? Three. continue on with a couple of barn dances. The first one is Paul O'Shaughnessy, not Paul O'Shaughnessy's, Pearl O'Shaughnessy's, Paul's mother, Pearl O'Shaughnessy's, who's a Dublin fiddle player. And then the second one is, I think it's James E. Gannon's, and feel free to correct me on that if we've put the wrong name on it. But yeah, we'll give these a go. These tunes were thrown together quite recently, so trying to just make sure we are on the same page here. But we're going to play a couple of reels to finish off. So we'll do, first of all, a tune I think I kind of know from the playing of Mary Bergen. I think she's the lovely whistle player that I was telling all my whistles today to go and listen to, called The Hut in the Bog. And then we'll follow that up with John Brennan's and finish up then with Johnny Cronin's. Yeah, so thanks very much for listening. got there in the end.
We've reached the finale of our show tonight. We have Fiachna, Mungan and Seamus coming on stage, accordion and concertina, and they will be backed by Kevin Breheny and Joe Kennedy on baron. And we also have a dancer in the house, the Oireachtas champion of this year, Garjo Drainan. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's Ceol Corm na Féile. We will see you tomorrow for Corrigicus agus Ceol at 4 o'clock. Slán live.
One, two. Evening. How are you? I think we're the last act. On before the disco. We won't keep you too long, we promise. I hear the mineral bars run out anyways. So, we'll play a couple of jigs to start. We'll just get Joe to tune up here now on his bar on for us, and we'll be good to go. We're going to play with 3 jigs. The first one, Kid Can, no. A jig played by Seamus Ennis, and a great friend of Louisburg, a wily character, told me that it was called Cunning the Hono na Drishika. I won't translate it. But that was from Paddy Fitz Farahata, who was, as I said, a great friend of here, a great friend of music, a great friend of us all in these circles. A four boss anshin Erich Amshire and COVID. So that's what he called it, so we'll stick with it. The second one is a tune called The Rambler, and the third tune is one that was played by John McKenna, the great Leitrim flute player. Oh. And it's called Up Leitrim. Right. My chef, Garmagi. Maggie. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. Create no much Sue's. Couple of reels. We'll finish with a few reels. The first one is called Molly Put the Kettle On. The second is Quailies. I think the third one is called The Ballina Lasses. And the last one is a version of Craig's Pipes. And I got these from Fiachna.
How come he's not talking about?
I think he got them from Paul Brock, but... Right, make a bit of room out there as well. I think someone might throw a step or two. Thanks a million. Lovely to be back again. And mighty weekend, mighty night last night. And I hope you had a great concert this evening too. And there's plenty more to come for the rest of the weekend, so give it a volley. Michael. Get out to dry on. Are out. My chip, you why?